Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to our session. Okay, so today let me enter with a new topic. Okay, are you ready? Yes, I am also ready with you. Yeah, close your eyes children for a while. Can you see anything? No, we cannot see anything because there is no light. That means the refraction of the light is not passing through our eyes. That's why we are not able to observe the objects. Then daytime is okay, sun is there. Then what about the night times children? Can we see? Yes, because of the artificial, that is the lights are there, we can observe. Okay? Yes. Have you observed the dark sky children? What is there in the dark sky, ma'am? It's simple, the sky will be very dark. No, because it is also one of the beautiful thing. I'll share something with you children. So when I went for Bangalore, all the sky is in orange color at the night time. I am talking about the night. So the sky is very orange color, reddish color I have seen. At 12 o'clock also I have observed the same thing. But oftenly I can't go out, no. So when we are walking on the road, I have observed that there is no darkness at all. Always I can see only the orange color, red color. Why it happened so? But when I come to our Chintamani, if I see the dark sky, in that sky I can observe the stars are there, moon is there, very peaceful and very cool breeze. I have enjoyed a lot. Why it is? Why there like that? Why here like that? Any two skies are there? No, impossible. Is it? Only one. Actually, we have to say that according to our science, there is no sky. But after that, let me talk about that. Why I am studying that there is no sky? I'll explain for you in this chapter itself next. Okay? So, I can see the stars, I can see the moon. So, it's very beautiful. If I look the pattern of the stars, I can observe like a lion, or I can observe like a tree, or some of the stars which it is gathering. Different types of the patterns I can observe on the sky when at night times. Why can't I observe in that place? Means lot of pollution. The pollution is occupied that place, so it has covered like a layer. That's why I have not observed the cleared sky, which the stars and the moon it has appeared. That is the reason. Is it? So in the cities, very horrible with the pollution. That's why our places, and it's very good means village people, villages. Where summer season we used to sleep on the terrace or outside. Very can't explain that one. It will be very nice. So like that I have observed different types of the patterns of the stars. So all are the stars only? All it will be twinkling? No. In that few are the stars are there and few planets also are there. So today let me start our new topic is about stars and the solar system. This is our chapter. Very interesting chapter children. And next what is going on? Next what is going on? What is there? How to know? How we can reach there? Like these questions will be arises in you and even though in my mind also. There is lot to know about our universe. To know about universe. So, we are going to observe the many things. And have you observed or not children? The star sometimes it will be moving like this again, and it will be fallen somewhere. Is that the star? No, it is not a star. It is some of the dust particle which we can observe like a star. Actually, the stars will not move. Because which is our star? That means which is the nearest star to the earth? That is the sun. Have you seen that the sun is rotating? Yeah, the sun is rotating. But what about the revolution? No revolution. It can't move from one place to the another place like our earth. Earth will be rotating. That's why we are having the days and nights and also the years. Just now the new year is going to enter. Is it? So revolution is there as well as rotation is there. Like that, there is no revolution and there is no rotation for our stars. Is it? Still deeply, let me learn about these bodies. What are those bodies called? Celestial bodies. What do you mean by the celestial objects? The stars, the planets, the moon and many other objects in the sky is called as the celestial objects, mainly stars. Can we count the stars, children? Few of them will say, no ma'am, we cannot count ma'am. Many are there, infinity. No children. For that also we are having the sum of the count. It is countable. The stars are countable. Then planets. According to our universe, we are having the 9 planets. In that 9, the last one, that is the Pluto, they have excluded from the list of our planets. So now it is only the 8 planets. How many? 8 planets. Then moon. Why we are talking only about the moon means for our earth it is having only one of the natural satellite, that is nothing but of the moon. Is it? Yes. You can ask, ma'am, still many planets are there, for that there is the moons are there or not? Yes children, having, let me talk about when the topic of planets came. Okay? Yes. Then many other objects. Still what other objects are there? Yeah, galaxy is there, asteroids are there, meteoroids are there, comets are there. So that's why we told that many other objects in the sky. These are all we call it as the celestial objects. Okay? Then what I mean by astronomy? Astronomy, astrology. We also will know about our astrology. Is it? Yes. The study of celestial objects and associated phenomena is called as the astronomy. So what do you mean by astronomy, children? The study of celestial objects and associated phenomena is called as the astronomy. Then who is the father of this astronomy? You have to ask them, children. No, yes ma'am, who is the father of this astronomy? Yes, he is none other, nothing but Nicholas Copernicus. He is the father of modern astronomy. Who is this? He is the father of modern astronomy. Who is the father of modern astronomy? He is the Nicholas Copernicus. You can see the picture there. Have you identified? Yes. So, his, what is that theories? Heliocentric theory, geocentric theory. Some of the, like Ptolemy, they told that the earth is in the center and all the planets are rotating. That's why we call it as the geocentric theory. No, it is absolutely wrong. So, the sun should be in the center, then all the planets are rotating around that. Scientifically proved by our Nicholas Copernicus. So, he is that is called as the heliocentric theory. It was explained by the Nicholas Copernicus. So, that's why we call it as the father of modern astronomy. And one of the greatest person is nothing but Galileo. We call it as father of modern science. Father of modern science, you can see there, he is the Galileo, he is the father of modern science, and Nicholas Copernicus is the father of modern astronomy. So, this is about the introduction. Just we have taken the introduction of this topic. Then let me talk about the moon. What do you know about the moon, children? Where it will be, how it will be, have you seen in the dark night sky? Yes. So, day by day we are going to see the different types of, that means the moon is same, but the, what is that? Half moon we can see, gibbous moon we can see, full moon we can see, and sometimes no moon also we are going to see. So, moon, very beautiful one, is it? Yeah, if you are going to observe the moon in the dark night, Some of the trees will be, and some will say, ma'am, that rabbit I can see, and one of the grandma is sitting under a tree. So different types of assumes we can see in the moon. Actually, there is no grandma, there is no rabbit in the moon. Is it? Yes. So, if we are seeing from the earth, the moon will be like a white ball. Is it? Yeah. So, very cool and white, not like the sun. Because sun is the self-luminous body. But moon is not like that. Moon is not the self-luminous body. The sun will use the own energy, the heat energy and the light energy. But the moon doesn't use. The moon will observe, and in refraction of the light, we are seeing, children. Is it? And moon, anybody landed on the moon? Is it? Do you know? So by next class, if you know about that, you think it, and if you know about the moon, you can message me. Who landed first on the moon? Still any information? First you think, children. Afterwards I'll say about the moon and phases of the moon. How these phases are coming. What is this? Let me observe in our next class. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you, children.
Formation of the universe and the other celestial bodies. In this module, you will learn about the origin and development of the universe and the formation of other celestial bodies like galaxies, stars, and planets. The universe is a vast expanse that holds everything from the smallest particles like dust to the biggest galaxies. In reality, nobody knows how big the universe is or when was it formed exactly. However, our knowledge about the universe has developed considerably in the recent years. Formation of universe. Before the formation of universe, there existed a highly compressed tiny ball known as singularity. It had an unimaginably small volume, infinite density, and was trillions of degrees in temperature. About 13.7 billion years ago, our universe started forming with the expansion of this ball. The theory which states this is called the Big Bang theory. The Big Bang led to a huge expansion of all the matter, and thereafter the development of the universe and the formation of numerous galaxies within. Formation of galaxy. Galaxy was formed by the accumulation of a huge amount of hydrogen gas and dust in the form of giant cloud called nebula. Within the nebula exist the birthplaces of stars and planets. Formation of star. In the beginning, some parts of the giant cloud or nebula collapsed on their own under the gravitational force of gas and dust. When these parts collapsed, the cloud started spinning. Moreover, as the cloud collapsed, its center started becoming hot. Further, due to the spinning, a roughly spherical clump or core started forming at the center and began gathering dust and gas around itself. This led to the formation of a flat, circular rotating plate or disk of gas and dust around the core. This hot core at the heart of the collapsing cloud led to the formation of stars like our sun. Formation of planet. Once a star was formed, planets started forming around the star in the disc-shaped cloud of leftover gases and dust. In this circular disk, the dust grains collided to form numerous small and rounded objects called planetesimals, which are the building materials of a planet. These planetesimals, due to collision and gravitational forces, combine together to form bigger, rounded objects called